Today we're going to be doing a screencast on the cool tool called StudySync. Online EdTech tools can be a very useful and an innovative way for teachers to collaborate and create a fun and interactive way for students to learn. The cool tool that I'm doing my research on is StudySync, which I am on the site right now. StudySync allows students to peer review and has multimedia lessons available. This tool can be used by both the students and the teachers. There's accounts for both of them. The cool thing about this website is that it is online, but it gives you a username and password that you can also use on the go. We all know with how advanced technology is and how attractive technology and smartphones are to younger children, they can still complete their work and watch videos even on their phones and still keep in connect. So this is what the homepage for StudySync actually looks like. You have your teacher and student login, which actually, thankfully, I have my sister that goes to a middle school, and they use StudySync, which I logged into their account, which is on this right here. This is what the page looks like when you first sign in, and you have a library right here where it has all of these stories that you can read. If you click on these, it gives you an overview of what you're going to be reading about, and it has a video and it talks about what you're going to be reading with the introduction, different vocabulary that's in there, and it gives the definitions of everything. And then over here on the sidebar, it gives you an option to read the story. So this is where you can read. This also gives a chance, students can also annotate within this. This website gives educational stories that students can read and then answer the questions on there and practice their comprehension skills. There's also a book that teachers can give to their students, which makes it really handy if a student doesn't have access to computer or if their Wi-Fi is down. They can still read the story from the book, and that way they don't miss on their assignments. Here is one, so you can read it. So essentially, you read the story, the students read the story, and then there's questions that the teachers give, and it gives you the wrong answer if you answer the incorrect one. So pros to this cool tool would be that if the Wi-Fi is down, they have access to the book. The teachers get the book, and then also that it's an innovative way for students to practice their reading and comprehensive skills, and is also a way to practice their annotating skills. Also, this is fairly easy to access if you log online. It's not very difficult, so if you're not tech savvy, you don't have to worry about anything. And then cons to this tool, which unless you don't have internet and or if you lose the book, other than that, there's not really any cons to this. Clicking on here's more of the reading, and then the StudySync TV. This is the same exact thing. It just gives you the overview and the actual summary of what you're going to be reading. And then this is the questions that it's going to ask, and it gives you different questions that you have to answer. But right now, this hasn't been assigned, so it doesn't give you the option to answer it. And then that is what StudySync is, and I hope you guys enjoyed this cool tool, and this can be a very useful way for teachers to collaborate with students. Thanks for watching.